your student nurse, Divine Antimana from DSN2-1. For today's storyboard, I'm going to teach you the step-by-step procedure on how to perform fetal heart monitoring using stethoscope. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start! So the step 1 is to identify the correct patient. Make sure to use two patient identifiers such as patient's name and birth date, or depending on your hospital policy. Next is introduce yourself and state the purpose of the intervention. You may do so by saying, "Hi, I'm Nurse Divine and I will be your nurse from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. Your doctor ordered for a fetal heart monitoring using stethoscope. This is done to check for the rate, rhythm, and the presence or absence of accelerations and deceleration of the fetal heartbeat. Before proceeding, do hand hygiene first. Expose the part to be examined, keeping a cover on the other parts. Perform Leopold's maneuver to locate the back. The second maneuver or umbilical grip to be exact. Next is to place the diaphragm of the stethoscope onto the client's abdomen, where the pedal back is located. Count the number of heartbeats in 1 whole minute. Take note that 2 beats are equals to 1 count. It is normal if the result ranges from 120 to 160 beats per minute. Below or above this range indicates fetal distress. Then, assist client to get out from bed and keep all materials used. After that, don't forget to wash hands. Lastly, record your findings on the client's chart and refer to the attending physician. And that's it for fetal heart monitoring using stethoscope. Hope you learned something and goodbye!